Let's learn today use of about to. Where we'll use about to. About to is used when something is going to happen very soon means just now or immediately. Let's know structure of about to. Structure of affirmative sentence is subject plus helping verb is am or was were plus about to plus verb first form plus object. Structure of negative sentence is subject plus helping verb plus not plus about to plus verb first form plus object. Structure of interrogative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Let's know use of helping verbs is are and am are used for present, was and were are used for past. Is will be used with he, she, it and singular subjects. Are will be used with we, they, you and plural subjects. Am will be used with just subject. I was will be used with I, he, she, it and singular subjects. Were will be used with we, they, you and plural subjects. Examples. I am about to sleep. She is about to start her homework. They are about to play cricket. She was about to cry. They were about to leave. I am not about to go. She is not about to cry. They are not about to leave. She was not about to agree. They were not about to stop. Are they about to leave? Is she about to cry? Am I about to play? Was she about to speak? Were you about to sleep? Thank you. Do not forget to thank the company for giving this knowledge to you. If you want to learn with us, contact us. We are ready to assist you.